Welcome to Spark Learning. In this video, we will solve multiplication problems using the area model. The area model is a strategy used for multi-digit multiplication. It involves using a rectangular diagram that helps to expand larger numbers, making them easier to work with. Let's try and use the area model to work out 527 times 4. First, let's show the problem as the area of a rectangle. Next, split the rectangle into smaller chunks. We will use the expanded form of 527, then draw lines to separate the rectangle into 3 sections for each place value. Next, we multiply the outside numbers to find the area of each smaller rectangle. 500 times 4 is 2000, so we write it in the first rectangle. 20 times 4 equals 80, which goes in the second rectangle, and 7 times 4 is 28, that goes in the third rectangle. The last step is to add all the products inside the rectangle together to find the answer, which is also the area of the original rectangle. 2000 plus 80 plus 28 equals 2108. So 527 times 4 equals 2108. Now let's try to multiply two two-digit numbers using the area model. Let's use 63 times 75 as an example. First, we write each two-digit number in expanded form. 63 is the same as 60 plus 3. 75 is the same as 70 plus 5. Then we draw our rectangular diagram that is split into smaller parts according to the ones and tens place value. Next, we use multiplication to find the area of each smaller rectangle. 70 times 60 equals 4,200. 70 times 3 equals 210. 60 times 5 equals 300, and 5 times 3 is 15. Now all we need to do is add these products inside the rectangle. So 63 times 75 equals 4,725. Now, let's try some practice problems. Can you work out what 5 times 642 is equal to using the area model? Pause this video and when you've got your answer, press play. Okay, so we expand 642 and split our rectangle accordingly. 600 times 5 is 3,000, 40 times 5 is 200, and 2 times 5 is 10. We add the products and our answer is 3,210. Let's move on to the second practice problem. Try to solve 84 times 59 using the area model. Pause this video here and press play when you're ready to check your answer. Okay, the first step is to expand 84 and 59. Then we split our rectangle into 4 smaller ones. 50 times 80 is 4,000. 50 times 4 is 200. 9 times 80 is 720. And 9 times 4 is 36. We add the products together and our answer is 4,956. Let's try the third practice problem. Can you use the area model to work out what 32 times 207 is? Pause this video and press play when you're ready. So we write our numbers in expanded form and draw lines to separate our rectangle. 200 times 30 is 6,000. 30 times 7 is 210. 200 times 2 is 400, and 7 times 2 is 14. We add all of these products together and we get 6,624. So 32 times 207 is 6,624. Now it's time for the final problem. Use the area model to solve 412 times 831. Pause this video here and when you have your answer, press play. Okay, first we expand the numbers and split our rectangle according to each place value. Now let's multiply our numbers together. 400 times 800 equals 320,000. 400 times 30 equals 12,000. And 400 times 1 equals 400. Now let's move on to the second row of rectangles. 10 times 800 equals 8,000. 10 times 30 equals 300. And 10 times 1 equals 10. Now we multiply 831 by 2. 800 times 2 equals 1,600. 30 times 2 equals 60. and 1 times 2 equals 2. Finally, we add all of the products together and our answer is 342,372. And there you have it. That is how you use the area model to multiply larger numbers. I hope you found this video helpful. Please give this video a thumbs up if you did and subscribe for more educational videos. Thanks for watching.